Like it?
You built this?
I designed it. Yeah, I designed enclosures.
Drew Jones?
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Like the standard charge point, I don't know what's considered low. You want a demo, bro?
I always do. Yeah.
I'll kick him out. He can come back.
He's got some AC.
Oh, I got air conditioning. Let me get in real quick.
Sorry, I'm gonna get in real quick for a video.
Fire. What's going on, man?
What all's in here?
So 6 ZV515s on 4 7500s at 0.33. Does a best so far is a 163.5, but that was before shrinking the port, before adding power, blah blah blah.
Okay.
It's pretty nice. I like it.
You built this?
I designed it. Yeah, I designed enclosures.
Drew Jones?
Yeah. So I designed it for a guy in Tennessee for DD subs, and then he built it. Truck was loud. He ended up selling the truck, so I bought the whole truck with the wall for $3 grand.
Nice.
So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go and just use the wall as it is, and just, you know, because it's built well. No reason to tear apart a built built wall, especially with one of my designs. So.
Yes, sir. All right. You like the smoke out of it a little bit?
A little bit, trying to. Let me play something a little cleaner.
You got a line, so about a minute demo for me.
Okay.
That's all right. Appreciate it, man. What's it tuned to?
We're back in business, boys.
Front chamber's 37, ported chamber's 22 cubes, and the rear is 10 point something. We've been tuning it, so I don't really know exactly where everything is.
Don't worry about it.
We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. The time comes when a man and face. The time comes when a man and face. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
With my problem solving, my patriot, going up and get tuned up. Faithful to my can. What about your can? Titanium, my loved ones, and move, soil tested it. Do it. So lifesavers up in this socks.
We're back in business, boys. We're back in. The time comes when a man can face. The time comes when a man can face. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
With my problem solving, my patriot, going up and get tuned up. Faithful to my can. What about your can? Touch any of my loved ones and move, soil tested it. Do it. So lifesavers up in this socks, running from the house. The cherries.
The time comes when a man can face. The time comes when a man can face. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
With my problem solving, my patriot, going up and get tuned up. Faithful to my can. What about your can? Touch any of my loved ones and soil tested it. do it. Some lifesavers up in his socks. Written and running from the cops. The cherry cheers.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Appreciate you,
That's
man.
insane. Thank you.
Can't wait to see the video, bro.
Yeah,
Your
man.
work's great.
We do a lot. Appreciate it. All right, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Okay, bro. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.